In a bowl, add 5 egg yolks, 150 grams of sugar, add in 50 milliliters of milk. To your egg whites, add a pinch of salt and beat it till foamy and hard. Add vanilla extract to taste. In my bowl, I have 80 grams of flour. To that, I add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Bake it in a preheated oven on 160 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. To your pan, add 150 grams of blackberries, 150 grams of blueberries, and 50 grams of sugar. Add in 1 lemon juice. To your bowl, add 250 grams of mascarpone along with 4 tablespoons of sugar, vanilla extract to taste, and 250 milliliters of double cream. To my cream, I also added 50 grams of melted chocolate. And here is the final product. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you guys in my next one. Bye!